Hello everyone, welcome to Thesis 123 where I learn and teach online. In last video we discussed about quick overview about the Matlab. Now today's class we can discuss about that evaluation of language of Matlab. Okay, evaluation of language within the Matlab software. It is one of the main interesting topic which we discussing now. Before that we have to know about the agenda. Here we want to know that history of Matlab and evaluation of programmable language within the Matlab software. Okay, now we can see the first concept, that history of Matlab, also known as general information about the Matlab software, right? Matlab is a product of MathWorks Inc. It is a US company, US corporation or US organization. From 1984 onwards it can be developing Matlab software with the different versions. Okay, the different versions. But before that, from starting class onwards, from starting video onwards, we are telling that that is Matlab, all the things, right? First of all, what is Matlab exactly? What is the exact definition for that? But before that, we have to know about that the Matlab full form. Okay, Matlab is nothing but the word Matlab is made up of two terms, that is mat and lab. Mat is derived from the word matrix and lab is derived from the word laboratory. Hence, Matlab is nothing but matrix laboratory. It comes as an apt name by the tool that can be basically deals with the matrix manipulations. Therefore, it is named as a matrix laboratory. And also, it is a special purpose computer programmable developed by the MathWorks Inc. and has designed, optimized to perform the engineering and scientific calculations with a graphical visualization. So therefore, the matrix laboratory can design for special functions within the engineering and scientific calculations based upon the graphical visualizations, and mainly the name got it as a matrix because of it can be done matrix manipulations, that is nothing but calculations. Okay, the Matlab has been introduced within the late 1970s by Dr. Cleve Moller. He is one of the greatest mathematician in this world. He has introduced the Matlab within the Mexico University. Because why Dr. Cleve Moller has been introduced this Matlab means, because so many within the Mexico University, so many students are facing lots of problems to solve the mathematical manipulations. Therefore, to reduce their complexity of problems, he introduced the Matlab. Simultaneously, we have to know that within the Matlab software, to reduce the complexity of students, he has introduced two types of projects. One is LinePack and one is IcePack. LinePack is nothing but linear algebra and IcePack is nothing but eigenvalues and eigenvectors manipulations project. Okay, this can be numerical analysis with matrix theory of forces based upon the photon. Photon is nothing but it is a formula transformation which can be used to solve the mathematical manipulations within the Matlab software. But beside that, we have to know one more language, that is nothing but C language. What are the codes, what are the programmable we are writing within the Matlab, that is nothing but Matlab, just like a Matlab, but within the Matlab it is some other special commands are there beyond the C language to specific task, and to complete the specific task and the functions. Okay, simultaneously after 1970s, the MathWorks.inc corporation, organization, he is developing Matlab from 1984 to right now, up to now. Okay, because from 1984 up to now, there are lot of versions has been came, lots of tools has been added, lots of graphical user interfaces has been added. Overall, I want to tell one thing: Matlab is a just like user friendly. Okay, everyone can be interact with the Matlab. And one more thing, Matlab is an interactive system whose basic data element is an array. Before going to discuss about that, we want to know what is array. Array is nothing but it's a collection of data organizing in the form of rows and columns. Once again, I will repeat that sentence, that an array is a collection of data organized in the form of rows and columns. It's nothing but array. We know very well within the arrays, within the matrix forms, there are vectors and scalars are there, right? What is vector and what is scalar? An array with only one row or column is treated as a vector. I repeat once again, an array which only having one row and one column is treated as a vector. Even scalar also treated as an array that is having same one row and one column in the Matlab environment. Okay, these are nothing but scalar and vectors within the Matlab software. We have so many interactive high-level programming languages are there for general scientific and technical computation, but it is very user friendly for us. Okay, Matlab is very user friendly for us. Okay, headquarters of mathworks.inc has been located in Natick City, USA. Okay, this is the main building of Mathworks Inc, which is located in Natick City. Now we will go through the evaluation of Matlab. It is one of the most important topic which we have been never discussed about this one. Okay, within the Matlab there are so many different categories are there which can be useful for us. Before that, Matlab is a programmable language. How means it provides an integrated developed environment, that is nothing but IDE for programming with a number of predefined functions for computing and visualizations. An extensive library for predefined functions make technical programming tasks easier and more efficient as compared to C or Fortran. You are seeing this here, external interface with including with the C and Fortran. Okay. In addition to that, built-in functions, user-defined functions are also supported by the Matlab, unlike C or C hash. It is not required to declare that type, that may be int, float, character or extra has been there within this language, I mean C languages, and the size of the variables. We have to know that the variable can be defined anytime in the program. This is one of the most interesting concept within this one. The variable can be defined anytime in the programming, and Matlab automatically define that type of variable according to the type of value assigned. Whatever the things we have been assigned within the Matlabs, that built-in function, the user defined functions has been there within this Matlab. That's what I told about this box, whatever you are seeing here. Okay, and I discussed about this one also. Actually we already discussed that the basic building block of Matlab is nothing but matrix. The data defined in the matrix environment is treated as an array. We have just now discussed about that one, right? The built-in function are also available in the form of a block, a collection of such special blocks. I mean like visualization special blocks are being available within the Matlab. The collection of such special blocks act as a tools for specific functions. These are the toolboxes for the specific functions. Okay, and specific applications. And simultaneously, the number of toolboxes are available within the Matlab environment as a Semlink. Okay, Semlink is nothing but it's a collection of number of tools. It's nothing but we called as a library, right? It's a Simulink library. Within this Simulink library, we have lots and lots of tools are there. For example, I discussed here control systems, communication, simple system, fuzzy logic, and neural network, and extra has been comes under the Simulink default tool within the Matlab. And other tools also can be purchased as per user requirement. Okay, based upon our requirement, we can purchase different tools from the MathWorks INC for our based upon our requirement. And these are the visualizations which can be discussed about the arrays and the scalars vectors that can be done within this, shown within this visualization, that may be 2D, 3D, up to 4D graphicals. These are the editable features. Okay, and not only that, the GUI tool undercomes it is the hardcore point within the Matlab. These are the very brief evaluation of Matlab as a programmable language about built-in functions, user-defined functions, visualization, toolboxes, and external interfaces. Right? The Matlab system consists of mainly 5 parts. Right? What are they? Let's have a look. One, it is a developing environment. It's create Matlab can create developing environment for the user, and simultaneously the Matlab function has a library. That means it is a collection of many things, many tools, many user interfaces, many visualizations, many blocks. All the things will be have within this Matlab software for the mathematical functions. And the Matlab language is nothing but including C and Fortran. Okay, whatever the we are understanding for easy understanding, we have to know about that C language. Okay, and graphics is nothing but we already discussed that it undercomes a visualization or GUI tool, graphical user interface tool. Okay, and fifth one, the Matlab application program interface. We know very well what is interface. That is interaction between the user and the compatible PC. These are the 5 main concepts which can provided by the Matlab software. And from starting onwards, we are discussing many things about Matlab, right? For what purpose Matlab has been popular when compared to other softwares or any other languages. Matlab features a family of add-on application specific solution called nothing but toolboxes. In the Matlab, there are lots and lots of nearly 99 toolboxes are there within this Matlab, right? Depending upon that toolboxes only, the Matlab is always popular. It getting very vast popular within this world. For example, the toolboxes has been discussed. Again, I will come through the toolboxes: signal processing, CDMA, control systems, robotics, machines, sim power systems, fuzzy logic, wavelets, simulations, and many other toolboxes are there within this Matlab. Okay, this is the brief explanation about the evaluation of Matlab. Within the next video, I come with the how to start and how to end the Matlab with special functions and special characterized commands. These concepts can be discussed within the next video. Up to that, for more information, you just visit our website www.thesis123.com for more videos and student based project. Don't feel any hesitate. Feel free to email us for your queries to info@thesis123.com. Guys, do not forget to subscribe and click like on below video, and don't forget to give feedback for our betterment. Thank you so much and all the best.